Hi y'all. Okay, we're gonna do our budget. We have it on July because we need to put our July bills down because this is my last paycheck in June and I need to know what I have to pay from July. So I'm gonna write the days in. Let me flip this. Make sure you can still see it. Okay. I do have some more light. I don't know if it'll help. And since we are just doing this from the beginning, this will be a longer video. So the last, I could have done this part first. The last day of June is a Thursday. So Friday's the 1st in July. Okay, and then we're going to put our paydays in. So it'll be the 1st Thursday, right? Yep. So on the 7th I get paid, and on the 21st I get paid. And then we put our bills in. So on the 1st I have to pay my insurance, and it is $625.61. On the 4th I have Spotify, and it is $11.35. On the 6th I have a credit card. On the 8th I have 2 credit cards. And I'm just gonna put it on the 9th because that's when I'm getting the money out. I'm gonna get out $500 for Gary. My 100 envelope challenge. I have a self credit card. 13th is Amazon Prime, and it is $15.13. On the 15th I have the IRS, that's 100. On the 16th I have a credit card. On the 17th I have Kohl's card and Planet Fitness. And I know Planet Fitness is $26.80. On the 19th I have a credit card. 20th I have a credit card. Okay, so I get paid on the 21st. On the 23rd I'll get Care Bear out his other $500, and I'll do my 100 envelope challenge. 27th credit card, and that's it. So what I need to do now actually is stop the camera and see if I owe money on all these credit cards, because I don't owe on all of them, but I'm gonna look and see. So hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I went and looked at all my credit cards, and some of these I don't owe a payment on these days, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a payment. It's not, I have a balance, but no payment due. But I don't know if I have this blue highlighter in my bag. I know what brand it was, but I don't know which highlighter it was. Maybe it was this one. Okay, so on this payday, I'm gonna have to pay some things in July. So my June payday is highlighted in blue. So all the things I'm paying with that, I'm gonna highlight in the same color. I was gonna say I could go ahead and pay that, but since I'm paying the Cobra out of this check, I'm gonna wait. So that's a big deal. Okay, so now we go to our weekly, and I did miss work for some doctor's appointments, so I lowered it a little bit. So our first bills, what day? 24th. $500. Actually, I'm not gonna put that there because I need cash for that. So actually I need cash for his too. So actually I want this in cash. I wrote down the prices in July. It's about the same every month though, so that's $35. And then we're gonna move over into July, and my first thing is Cobra. $25.11. Spotify $11.35. And this credit card is $25. That's on the 6th. Actually, so I don't confuse myself, I'm going to mark that out and move it down here. And then I'm going to pause you while I go grab the envelopes that I chose for this week so I can see how much they are. Okay, I'm back. I got this out of my purse so I could see my envelopes. We have 62 and 73. And groceries, I've been doing 130. Gas, how much did I do last time? 140, and it was not enough. So, I'm gonna bring my calculator up. And there's a particular pen that I like to use on my calculator. Okay. So if we have 1,700 35 minus 626, because I don't like to use change, minus 12 minus 25. That leaves us $1,002. I'm not gonna have that much this time, am I? Let's see what that is. 35 plus 626 plus 12 plus 25, $698. Okay, so then we're going to go down here and add these up. So we've got 62 plus 73 plus 500 plus 140 plus 130 that I skipped. Oof. $905. I have an issue though, because this weekend I'm going on a trip to a concert. So I've got $30 in my travel. $11 in miscellaneous. So that's $41 I can use on my trip. That's my trip. So I need some food money, gas money, hotel money. I had forgotten about it. We paid here again. That's when we're going to Busch Gardens, so I have to have Busch Gardens done on this day. And this one I'm going to be in Fort Lauderdale. What I could do no, I can't do that. This is the problem, that I forgot about it. Now I'm having a struggle. Okay, so because it is a trip, I don't want to use any more of my savings. I can use my vacation money, my trip money, Hopefully my check is more, but I just am not sure because, like I said, I had some doctor's appointments, and I'm pretty sure that it came out on this pay period. So I'm just gathering money that I think will work. And my parking fees are for the hospital, but I just had my last PET scan for a long time, and they don't charge at my doctor's offices, and I don't have to go back there till September anyways, so I'll take that out. And let's see how much we've got here. Okay, so 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81. So we have 181. I just don't remember how much the hotel is. Let me look at my booking and see how much the hotel is. Okay, so I didn't record like a ton of my video. I thought it was recording and it wasn't. So here's the rundown. I've got how much I think I'm gonna make here. This is all scribbled up because I wrote that and realized I needed it in cash, so I moved it down here. I've got my credit card, $35, my insurance, $625, my Spotify, $11.35, and another credit card for $25. I had put the Fort Lauderdale on here, $104 for my part of the hotel room, but took it off. I ended up taking it off of there. I've got the 181 in cash, and I will deposit it before I go or something. My 100 envelope challenge, I've got my 62 and my 73. The 500 for Gare Bear, 130 for groceries, and 140 for gas. That only leaves me $97 this time, which is not very much. So I need some more money for Busch Gardens, so I'm gonna put 20, $5 for coffee, and 72 for nails, and that's my $97. So that leaves me with $0 because this is a zero-based budget. And then this is how I do my cash breakdown. So my 100 envelope challenge is $62, so I'm gonna get a 50, a 10, and 2 ones. My other one is 73, so I'm getting a 50, a 20, and 3 ones. 500, I'm getting 5 100s out. Groceries, 130, so I'm gonna get 2 50s, a 20, and a 10. Gas is 140, I'm just gonna get 7 20s. Busch Gardens, 20, so I'm getting 120. Coffee, 15, and nails 72, so I'm getting a 50, a 20, and 2. And then I bring this down. There's 7 ones, 1 5, 2 10s, 11 20s, 5 50s, and 5 100s. Figure up the value, add it up, and that equals 1,002, which is what I have over here left over after this stuff comes out of my checking account. I do have a buffer in my bank account, so I don't actually have $0 in my checking account. And I worked it out, so when I come in July, I went ahead and pulled my 2 envelopes, and I got 69 and 38 for this July payday. And I added 100 for Busch Gardens and 100 for Fort Lauderdale, which that's the day I'm going. So I've got the 181 and then another $100, so that'll be 281. The Busch Gardens, I've got what, 45 plus that 65, so that'll be 165. And then I think I didn't record the part either how This is tomorrow. This is when I get paid. And so I've got it in like this bluish purple color, my payday, and then everything I'm paying with it, I highlight in that color, and it comes over into July because I don't get paid until here again. So everything before that is in that purple color from June. This is my first payday in July, so everything in that color gets paid for out of this check. And then my second payday in July, everything in green gets paid out of that check. Plus there'll be some in August because the 1st I pay my insurance and the 4th I pay Spotify, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is also a payday. But I'll go ahead and pay those 2 things out of green as well. So when I get down here to Busch Gardens, I won't need to pull any money out for that. But I may pull a little bit of money out for Sunday. My parents, Haley White and Elijah, are coming this day. They won't actually be here till Friday, I think. And then Saturday we're going to Busch Gardens, and then Sunday maybe like a beach day or something. So we'll get just some snacks, go out to eat or something. And then they're leaving on Monday. And then all my travel money and vacation money, I'll restart building that up. It's just a lot going on this month. With me and my friend going to the concert, and then with them coming just 2 weeks later. I don't think we're doing anything for the 4th. We'll just go watch the fireworks, I guess, depending on when they have it and if I'm at work, because I am on call this weekend. It was supposed to be this one, I think, or maybe not even down to here, but another girl's on vacation this weekend, so I took it so I could be sure I had those 2 off. So I don't think we're doing anything on the 4th, but maybe going down to the beach and watching the fireworks if I don't have to go into work. And then, like I said, I already pulled my envelopes and I wrote down the amounts right here. So when I get ready to do that budget in July, I already have those pulled out right here. This budget was a struggle, guys. But I made my check a little bit lower than I had been, just because this one I had put $2,000 and it was $1,700 because I missed work for doctor's appointments. And then this one I missed work for doctor's appointments. So I went ahead and put $1,700 on this one. So hopefully from here on out it will be more than that. But anyway, so that is how I do my zero-based budget. A bunch of scratches and scribbles and rethinking. If it is more than $1,700, then I can add some more money in my envelopes and be able to stuff more envelopes this time. But as it is right now, $1,002 is what I'll be stuffing in envelopes. And that's it. I will, oh, and also, yeah, so Saturday I'll be back. I'll stuff my envelopes on Saturday. So, can't wait, guys. I gotta go to bed. Good night.